Welcome to the Champion installation video series, brought to you in collaboration with Garage Gurus. Today, Damien is going to replace a spark plug on a Golf 7 GTE TSI 1.4. We will fit 4 OE244 Champion spark plugs. Ensure that you have the correct tools to remove the coils and the spark plugs without creating damage. We will use an ignition coil puller. Check you have the correct puller for your engine application. A torque wrench to apply the correct amount of force and avoid breaking the spark plugs. An appropriate socket. In the socket there is a rubber boot that prevents the plug from accidentally falling out. And a wrench extension to ensure that you can easily reach the spark plug. Remove the engine cap. Disconnect the ignition coil. Pull the connector and place it aside. Unscrew the bolt securing the coil. Pull the coil out using the correct puller. The puller prevents damaging the coil. Clean the spark plug's shaft before removing the plug. This prevents dirt from entering the engine. Use the torque wrench with the adapter and socket to remove the current plug. Using the correct amount of force prevents damaging the existing plug. If the torque wrench clicks and you can't get the plug out, please contact your engine specialist. Check our spark plug trouble tracer chart for the most common symptoms and their possible causes. Pull the plug out and remove it from the socket. Check the packaging for the correct force to apply and set the torque wrench accordingly, in our case 20 Newton meters. Put the plug in the socket until you feel it is firmly held. Use the socket and the extension to fit the plug by hand in the engine. Then, use the torque wrench with the correct force setting to tighten it. Stop applying force when the torque wrench ticks. Spread spark plug connector dielectric grease on the ignition coil before fitting it back. Push the ignition coil until it clicks. Fasten the bolt that secures the ignition coil. Reconnect the ignition coil cable and repeat the process for the remaining spark plugs. Don't forget to put the engine plastic cap back in place. Push it down until it clicks too. Your installation is now complete. You can find the correct spark plugs as well as other parts for your car using our Find My Parts page on www.championautoparts.eu. In this video description you can find the links to our trouble tracer chart, Find My Parts tool, as well as our Champion website and Garage Gurus, our training and technical support program. Don't hesitate to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and be notified when we post new content.